Hello dear students, today in English language we will start our book chapter, that is chapter 1 sentences, and as I don't have the book, so I will read it out and explain you with the help of a PDF. So you people, if you are having the book, kindly just listen everything very carefully and do it correctly, and those who are not having the books, please read with the help of the PDF I had already sent in the classroom. Thank you. Now firstly let us start what is a sentence. Here the chapter 1 is about sentence. So see what is a sentence. In simple words I'll tell you, whenever you say a words appropriately, that is a sentence. Means अगर मैं आपको हिंदी में बोलूँ, जब भी हम कोई भी बात बोलते हैं तो हम उस बात को बोलने के लिए या अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए कुछ वर्ड्स का यूज़ करते हैं, और जब वो वर्ड्स का यूज़ हम एप्रोप्रिएट प्लेसेस पे करते हैं, दैट इज़ योर सेंटेंस. एंड अगर हम वो वर्ड्स का यूज़ प्रॉपर प्लेस पे नहीं करते हैं, देन इट विल बी नॉट अ प्रॉपर सेंटेंस. एज आई सी, इफ आई राइट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, see here I have written one sentence, I am the class teacher of 5th orange. So it will be a correct sentence as I have written all the words on a place where they were desired. मैंने सारे वर्ड्स को अप्रोप्रिएट प्लेस किया है जहाँ पे उन्हें होना चाहिए था, इसलिए मेरा प्रॉपर सेंटेंस है आई एम द क्लास टीचर ऑफ 5th orange. इफ आई हैव रिटन if I have written like this, I am teacher the class 5th orange etc., so it will be your wrong because it is not a proper sentence. जब आप कोई भी बात बोल रहे होते हो, आप मीनिंगफुल वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हो, मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस में लगाते हो, तो वो आपका कंप्लीट सेंटेंस होता है, और जब भी आप उसको नहीं करते हो तो इट विल बी नॉट योर कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. As you know that what is a sentence, you may have studied or you may see in your picture or in any book that different sentences are marked with different punctuations like this. If you somewhere you have seen this, like we call it, ignore it. Sometimes we put this punctuation mark which is known as full stop. Sometimes we mark this which is known as question mark, and sometimes we mark this is known as exclamation mark. Now these three, and there are so many other punctuation which are very important when we are writing any sentence. Now what role they play? See, full stop we always put with declarative sentences where we are declaring anything. For this I'll tell you in detail afterwards. Question, we generally when we ask any question or while writing any question answer, or you always put after the question, after completing the question, you always put this mark. So this means that our question is complete. When our declarative sentence is complete, like answer, we always put this, and for this we always put after the interrogative sentence, we always put question mark. Now this exclamation mark we put where we are expressing our